Hey there, manufacturers! Are you ready to revolutionize your production process? Say hello to Fast EDM by Erodex, the ultimate precision solution. Whether you're in aerospace, automotive, or precision tooling, Erodex helps you cut faster, smarter, and with unmatched accuracy. So, what is Fast EDM? EDM stands for Electrical Discharge Machining. It's a super advanced process that shapes hard metals with extreme precision. But Fast EDM? That's next level. It optimizes speed without sacrificing any of that crucial accuracy. Here's what makes Fast EDM stand out. Advanced power settings to speed up material removal rates, intelligent automation to reduce downtime, and precision cutting with micron-level accuracy. At Erodex, we take EDM to the next level, faster cycle times, higher efficiency, and unbeatable results. Let's dive into the tech behind Fast EDM. First up, high-speed wire EDM. We optimize wire tension, pulse control, and discharge energy to achieve faster cutting speeds while maintaining precision. Next, advanced dielectric fluid management. Our cutting-edge filtration and cooling systems enhance the cutting process, reducing wear on consumables and extending machine lifespan. Finally, automated job processing. With intelligent software integration, complex geometries and fine details are achieved effortlessly. This reduces operator workload and boosts efficiency. Now let's talk real-world benefits. Why do industry leaders choose Fast EDM by Erodex? First, unrivaled speed and precision. We optimize cutting parameters for maximum productivity while maintaining micron-level accuracy. Second, it's cost-effective and efficient. Faster cycle times mean lower production costs and increased throughput without compromising quality. Third, superior surface finish. With our advanced spark control tech, you get a flawless finish, reducing the need for post-processing. And last but not least, sustainable manufacturing. Our energy-efficient EDM solutions reduce power consumption and material waste, making Fast EDM an environmentally friendly choice. Why choose Erodex? Because we don't just provide EDM solutions, we redefine them. With decades of experience, industry-leading expertise, and a commitment to innovation, we deliver precision at the speed you need. We're trusted by leading manufacturers. We offer custom solutions tailored to your needs. And we provide unparalleled customer support and technical expertise. From aerospace components to intricate medical devices, Erodex is the name industries trust for superior EDM solutions. Ready to enhance your manufacturing capabilities with Fast EDM? Contact Erodex today and discover how our cutting-edge solutions can transform your production efficiency. Call us now. Visit us at www.erodex.com or get in touch with our experts. Fast EDM by Erodex, where speed meets precision.